When I'm planning my family's weekly menu, I like to work in planned-overs or leftovers I have planned to use later. This saves me time as I have less prep work and cooking, and saves me money since I can stock up on the food I need. Planned-overs are great to fit into days when I know I won't have time to cook a meal from scratch. A great way I work planned-overs into my menu is when I have some extra time on a Friday or Saturday. I can make some extra food for another day when I'll have less time to cook. Friday is my shopping day, so it's easier for me to prepare some things right away when I get home from the grocery store or that night once the children are in bed. Planned-overs can be a full meal, such as a casserole, soup, or meatloaf. Or you can prepare some ingredients ahead of time, such as chopping vegetables or fruits, steaming or roasting vegetables, cooking rice or noodles, cooking ground meat, roasting meat, or grating cheese. I recently got a great deal on potatoes at the grocery store, so I've planned to use them in my weekly menu. I have several dishes I can prepare at one time that can be used throughout the week as separate meals. I'm starting with a basic baked potato recipe. From that, I can make stuffed potatoes by cutting my potatoes in half and adding toppings. I can mash the potatoes to make loaded potato soup, and for hash browns, I need to dice the potatoes. These are very different meals, all starting from one basic recipe, and now I have several easy meals that save me time. Keep in mind, any leftovers must be used within 4 days. If you cannot use the leftovers you made within this time, freeze them for future use or throw them away. Visit our website for the full recipes of the potato dishes I discussed, or check out some of our other budget-friendly videos.